Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mugdha Joshi. I work as a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Cloudnine Shivaji Nagar Hospital, Pune. Ideally, pap smear is a screening test. Now you'll ask me what a screening test actually is. So if I have 100 women and I have to pick up those ladies who are at really a high risk for a particular disease, then I cannot use a test which is very costly. I cannot use a test which is invasive or which would actually involve a surgery or a very costly test to be done. So I have to use a test which is very simple, which could be performed anywhere and which would still pick up all those ladies who are at high risk. So pap smear is one such test which is quite commonly used. It can be done anywhere in OPD, absolutely painless, no invasive methods used in it. So this is what we call as a screening test. So it just involves using a speculum. It's a general gynecological instrument any gynecologist has. So any lady who has visited a gynecologist ever knows what a speculum is. So we just insert it vaginally, we visualize the cervix. There's a brush and there's a spatula which we just move around the cervix. We collect the cells from there, smear it on a slide and send it to the pathologist. So this spatula collects a lot of cells from around the cervix which are interpreted by a pathologist telling us whether this lady is at high risk of cancer or this lady doesn't have any risk of cancer. So this is what a simple pap smear test does. It screens you for a cervical cancer. So it's a very easy OPD based painless test and still quite sensitive and quite very effective in picking up cervical cancers.